advisory remains in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Locations: northern and central Massachusetts. Hazard types: snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 2 to 4 inches, along with around 1/10 of an inch of ice. Timing: snow will begin around midnight. Snow mixing over and changing to sleet during the early morning hours, before changing over to freezing rain by mid-morning. Rain by afternoon. Impacts: dangerous travel conditions, especially for the Tuesday morning commute along elevated roadways. Untreated roads will become slick and slippery with only a trace of snow and flash or ice. Visibilities will be reduced, especially within snow tonight. A winter weather advisory is issued when snow and flash or ice is forecast to develop in the affected areas, but accumulations are expected to be light. Any snow or ice would result in slippery conditions on untreated roadways and sidewalks. When temperatures are below freezing, motorists need to be especially careful on bridges and overpasses, where slippery spots can easily develop. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Locations: southern and eastern Massachusetts, as well as northern Connecticut, and all of Rhode Island, except for Bristol and Newport counties and Block Island. Hazard types: snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches, along with around a trace of ice. Timing: snow will begin around midnight. Snow mixing over and changing to sleet, before changing over to freezing rain toward daybreak. Rain by mid-morning across the coastal plain. Freezing rain persists into the early afternoon across the higher terrain. Impacts: dangerous travel conditions, especially for the Tuesday morning commute along elevated roadways. Untreated roads will become slick and slippery with only a trace of snow and flash or ice. Visibilities will be reduced, especially within snow tonight. A winter weather advisory is issued when snow and flash or ice is forecast to develop in the affected areas, but accumulations are expected to be light. Any snow or ice would result in slippery conditions on untreated roadways and sidewalks. When temperatures are below freezing, motorists need to be especially careful on bridges and overpasses, where slippery spots can easily develop.
Here are the noon observations for the Worcester area. In Worcester, it was fair. The temperature was 28 degrees, the dew point 9, and the relative humidity 44%. The wind was northeast at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.44 inches and rising. Elsewhere around the region, in western Massachusetts, in Pittsfield, fair, temperature 29, wind north at 8. At Orange, fair, temperature 28, wind north at 12. At Fitchburg, fair, temperature 30, wind northwest at 13. And in Westfield, fair, temperature 33, wind northeast at 9. In eastern Massachusetts, in Boston, fair, temperature 33, wind north at 12. And at Bedford, fair, temperature 30, wind north at 13. In southeast Massachusetts, at Norwood, fair, temperature 34, wind north at 10. At Blue Hill Observatory, temperature 30, wind northwest at 13. In southern New Hampshire, at Keene, fair, temperature 25, wind north at 10. In Jaffrey, fair, temperature 25, wind variable at 7, gusting to 17. At Manchester, partly sunny, temperature 28, wind north at 15. And in Nashua, fair, temperature 28, wind north at 9. In northern Connecticut, at Willimantic, fair, temperature 38, wind northeast at 13, gusting to 18. In northern Rhode Island, at Smithfield, fair, temperature 34, wind northeast at 15. Once again, repeating the noon weather for the Worcester area, it was fair. The temperature was 28 and the wind was northeast at 9.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for central Massachusetts, including the greater Worcester area, issued at 10:19 a.m., Monday, December 28th. This afternoon, mostly sunny and much cooler. Near steady temperature around 30. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Tonight, snow after midnight. Snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches. Lows in the lower 20s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of snow near 100%. Tuesday, snow, rain, freezing rain and sleet in the morning, then rain and freezing rain in the afternoon. Total snow accumulation of 2 to 4 inches. Ice accumulation of up to 1/4 of an inch. Highs in the upper 30s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Tuesday night, rain likely. Not as cool. Near steady temperature in the mid-30s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. A chance of rain showers. Highs in the lower 40s. West winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming southwest in the afternoon. Chance of rain 50%. Wednesday night, cloudy. Rain likely until midnight, then a chance of rain after midnight. Near steady temperature in the upper 30s. South winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming southwest after midnight. Chance of rain 70%. Thursday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-40s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night through Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Highs in the lower 40s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday through Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Lows in the mid-20s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
The current time is 12:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.